Hello, today is Friday, September 4, 2020. The value is freedom. Es nuestra última sesión de la semana y les tengo una palabra. Choices. What do you know about choices? ¿Conocen el significado? Ok, choices son decisiones, chicos. Tomar una decisión. So, let's see a video about the choices, okay? Okay, here it is.
Here at Cucamonga, we make good choices. Smiling is a good choice. Honesty is a good choice. Listening to the teacher is a good choice. Cleaning up is a good choice. Walking calmly is a good choice. Walking away is a good choice. Taking turns is a good choice. Sharing is a good choice. Washing dirty hands is a good choice. Hanging up my clothes is a good choice. Raising your hand is a good choice. When we make good choices, we are trusted by others, we get along better with one another, we care for and encourage others, we share and take turns when playing, we stay safe, we show respect for others, we follow the rules. We can all be trustworthy by making good choices.
Great. So let's see what's coming up. I ask you to have this making good choices. Good choice, poor choice. Buena decisión, una decisión mala o una decisión pobre. En la parte de abajo de la zona punteada tienen varias decisiones. Te voy a pedir que las recortes y que las pegues dependiendo de en dónde deben de ir. Cuando termines, checa cómo quedaron. Regarding good choice, keep hands to yourself. Be nice to everyone. Raise your hand to speak. Say please and thank you. Listen to the teacher. In poor choice, we have run in the hallway, play during work time, call people names, play with the scissors, and yell across the room to say something to your friend. Pégalo en tu libreta y envíame tu evidencia. That would be everything for today. Have a great weekend and I'll see you on Monday's class. Goodbye.